Hello students, in our happy reading session, we will learn the sound of SH. S and H together form sh sound. Sh. 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 In Marathi, sh. Fish. Fish. For easy reading, segment the word and then read it. Shade, brush, dish, wish, wash, mesh, lush, lush, push, fresh, crush, vanish, clash, shake, shape, sheet, sharp, shock, shy, shop, shell, short, shirt, sheep, shoes, shark, shout, show. Now complete the words with sh or ch sound and form the meaningful word. So what will be here? Shirt. As we know the word shark, brush. So we put here sh. Now for ch, chess. As we know it is the game. Chair and torch. So we put ch sound here. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.